good, YouTube? Drugs NYC back. Finally back. It been a nice, I say probably 2 months, probably. But I've been here. I ain't gonna lie, I've been stressed about these car parts and what mods I want to do next. All them costs about the same amount, and I ain't know which one I want to do first. But I got a crazy one we about to do today. I'm about to head in the shop right now. See what's the word. This should take a little while. It might take the whole day to do. But I'm gonna be installing the T51R mod on this, so I'm gonna be sounding like I got a big turbo. You know what I mean? I don't care about speed for real, so I go for sound and everything. So I mean, at least it's gonna sound good. I got a few things. Hopefully this week I could drop like 2 videos. I got something else coming in too. That should at least complete the outside look of the car. But yeah, later on this week, maybe next week, the next part coming in. But as of right now, we doing this mod. I want to see how that's gonna sound. That paired with the intakes, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, the car's gonna be way better driving, more fun at least. I want to see the difference with efficient and sport plus. I'm gonna keep y'all updated when I get out the car though. I'm about to see what time I could come in. All right, we at the shop now. This is how it's looking. So those are 2 of them. About to get started in a little bit. All right, yeah, we back. Took a nap. I was tired. We'll be back at the dealer. That's where I got my X3 from. I'm with 2 of my guys right now. They both about to get these cars. F550 and the Q60. We said yesterday, did most of the work. About to be official. But I should have recorded a drive over here. I know I got some driving clips, and I was gonna tell you about that too. So I didn't get a chance to record while I was there because it was music playing and stuff, and feel me, I didn't want to get copyrighted. So I got clips after I'm driving and stuff. There's also a red seat. Let me open the hood. Got this seat. Got the arcade tunes. That's it right there. 2 turbos, 1 there, 1 there. Alright, I'm gonna get to y'all in a little bit.